You're gonna love this house because I love this house. It's spectacular. Welcome to 151116 12th line East Garafraxa, where we have a beautiful custom-built country bungalow just for you. And of course, you're only a 6-minute drive to your local public school. Located only 20 minutes to Orangeville, 20 minutes to Fergus, and 12 minutes to Bellwood for all your fishing fun. This bungalow sits on 2 beautiful acres, professionally landscaped, freshly paved circular driveway, beautiful mixture between open space, trees for privacy, and views for miles of the rolling countryside. You'll be impressed as soon as you pull up. Vertical siding, stone skirt, triple car garage, front porch, oversized windows, massive peaked roof, which makes it really stand out within the countryside. But it gets better. We have a brand new in-ground saltwater pool, covered pavilion, interlocking stones throughout, all surrounded by a sophisticated wrought iron fence that completes this package. With plenty of room for the kids to play, this house is not only beautiful and the envy of the neighborhood, it's also extremely functional. Now just imagine it was summertime. Now I know you like that one. Now let's dive a little deeper into the inside. It's a real treat. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you're gonna notice is 9-foot ceilings, tons of pot lights, and oversized windows in every direction. We have a beautiful open concept feel that's perfect for entertaining. The kitchen is in the center of this floor plan. It's the true heartbeat of this house. It's big, it's open, and it's bright. We have extended cabinets, white traditional shaker style, granite countertops, and massive island, country kitchen sink, stainless steel appliances, and this beautiful backsplash that incorporates all the colors of the fields and brings them right inside, which really warms up this space. And of course, everybody needs their oversized pantry. And now we're in the living room. It's by far, hands down, the coziest room in the house. You can see there's windows in every single direction, and it overlooks that beautiful pool that we were talking about earlier. I love the functionality of this room. Entertain, watch the kids, crank open that window so you can hear what's going on. And then of course there's the walkout to that beautiful deck. And the key feature of this home are views from every single angle. We're not tucked between an estate subdivision with our neighbors next door. This is country living and privacy, all that coupled together with a brand new custom build, which means nothing needs to be done. I can't say enough about this main floor. We have our center plan and living area complemented by 2 wings. On one side, we have access to the triple car garage, 2-piece washroom for ultimate privacy, oversized double closets for all your gear, and of course, a main floor laundry room. I love the tiles in this area, very functional, and of course, the pocket door that you can open and close at your convenience. On the other side of this house, we have the second wing, the bedrooms. One of my favorite features is the full bath. Remember, 2-piece on one side, full bath for you and the kids on the other. You don't need to have the guests rummaging through your stuff. You'll love the long hallway which separates the bedrooms from the main living area, which is going to reduce noise even during those large get-togethers. All bedrooms are a great size with double closets and tons of window space that ensures natural light throughout the whole space. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the master. I love the designs and the colors of this room. We have a beautiful wood accent wall, which adds some real warmth, but really instills that country feel, which is a perfect theme for this bungalow. You'll notice oversized windows, 3-pane windows, taking advantage of what you're really paying for, the view. The second thing you're gonna notice is the walk-in closet. It's huge. It's so big, it has its own window, built-ins, and plenty of closet space. And of course, the ensuite. 5-piece ensuite, double vanity, heated floors, soaker tub, and ceramic tiles. Open shower, you're gonna love the hex tiles on the floor. It gives it a real luxurious spa-like feeling. Imagine waking up and coming in here every single day. And before we head downstairs, one thing I wanna point out is the stairs itself. It's a beautiful design feature with steel runs and open, which means it heads down right in the middle of the floor plan, but you hardly notice it, and it keeps that open concept feel. Now you don't see that every day. As you head downstairs, we have an oversized staircase opening up to this massive basement. You'll notice it's about 90% done. Some mud and some flooring would complete this package, but we already have a full bedroom with walk-in closet and a brand new bathroom with oversized glass shower, but pay attention to the detail. Beautiful softwood vanities, intricate designs on this heated floor, and hex tiles right in the middle of the shower. You're gonna absolutely love it. So what I'm trying to say is all the hard work has been done. There's plenty of room for a rec room, gym, pool table, and even more bedrooms. When you look at the placement of this house on the lot, you'll notice it's built into an embankment, which means half of the basement is a walkout, which allowed the builder to continue the theme of oversized windows upstairs all the way downstairs. It's very open, very bright, and at the end you have a beautiful French door walkout where the kids can enjoy all that beautiful yard space. Like I said before, you're gonna love this house because I love this house, and you've got the complete package. Give me a call, give me a text today. I can't wait to show it to you.